We talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down, you keep going down here, then you click here on settings, click on it. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on privacy here. So then you come to this list, you just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time here to open video because I start screen uh, with me, sorry. So when it's going to open video like this, you go down, come here to use camera to animate your avatar with your movement here, click in this sign. So then you just click here on enable here, then automatically here it's going to enable with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.